folks, I've got number 667 for you today. This is an Alto ukulele, and it's made of Western red cedar and curly walnut. The inspiration for it is this beautiful cedar top that I got from Jason Bowerman. He's a guitar builder from Bend, and this is too small for his instrument, so I have a little stack of it. And he pulled this log off the mountain himself, and it's just a beautiful piece of cedar. It's just, I love it. And that little sapwood stripe inspired me for the rest of the instrument. We've got a maple stripe down the neck, maple stripe here, and then little maple veneers underneath stuff and binding the fretboard, and it just was fun to carry it out throughout the piece. The back and sides are some curly walnut from Gobi in Portland. This is from the Short Spin at Gobi. A little mahogany neck that comes as a scrap from a furniture maker. And then more of that curly walnut for the fretboard, headplate, and bridge. And no binding. It's just a nice, simple, lightweight instrument. It's loud but rich and beautiful. I just think it's a nice, it's a good balance. Yeah, really fun. So, yeah, ready to go. Cheers. 667.